Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome day because I'm so excited to share this video with you guys because I've always wanted to try gouache paint and now I finally get to. This gouache paint set is called the Himi gouache set. You can find it on Amazon. I linked it down below. And if you don't know what gouache is, it's basically if acrylic paint and watercolor came together, did the nasty, and a baby popped out. Or maybe the gouache is adopted by two nice parents, two gentlemen or two ladies, or a gentleman and a lady. Point is, it is the baby of acrylic paint and watercolor. But this specific gouache set is a jelly formula. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but I think it's pretty interesting because it's not made like other gouache paints that come in a tube. But this was about $20 something and it comes with so much paint. It comes with 30 milliliters in every single one of these cubes. And that makes me very, very happy because I'm very conservative when it comes to saving paint. I'm literally scraping off the excess paint that's on the top of the lid that came on top of these cubes. And because it comes with so much paint, I'm going to try to experiment as much as possible and not be afraid of wasting paint because there's a lot of it and it didn't cost that much. So yeah, that's my goal. And unlike acrylic paint and like watercolors, you can actually reactivate it when it's dried out with water. So like, you know, when you're painting with acrylic paint and you leave the paint on your paint palette when you're blending and mixing and it gets like dried up and crusty and you can't reactivate it, it's like done. But this, when it dries up on your paint palette when you're mixing, you can actually reactivate it and keep using it, which is really, really neat, and you guys will see that in the video. But I love this gouache paint set. Even though I've never used gouache before, I really love it. It's so vibrant, it's super pigmented, and you can go from light to dark or dark to light, unlike with watercolors. So when we're watercoloring and you have something dark, you can't go back to light. But with these gouache paints, you can go from dark to light very easily. And right here you can see in the video that if you take the white and you mix it with another color, it becomes more pastel and more opaque, which is really cool too. It's my first time doing gouache paint. Didn't go too well, but I'm here to learn. And if you guys saw my summer bucket list video of how I use my bullet journal in the summer, you'll see that I want to improve my drawing. But anyways, yes, I will be showing you guys my little attempt on my first try at gouache paint, and it didn't go too well, but I'm so happy to start learning and improving my drawing skills and using different paint mediums, including gouache paint. And I also bought this watercolor paper. The watercolor paper that I had was really, really bad from like Walmart or something, but I upgraded because it was on Michael's, but I can get one free, so I did upgrade it. It is the 300 series and it is 140 pounds, so this paper is thick and I really like it. And I also got a couple watercolor sketchbooks. I don't think they're watercolor, but they are 118 pounds. And you guys will see that at the end of the video. Now I'm going to attempt to use gouache for the first time. I watched a bunch of videos. It still turned out bad, but I decided to start with a very, very transparent layer. So where I thought there were darker colors or there were highlights, I added the lighter colors or the darker colors and I just blended it out. I waited till the layer was dry and then I added more color on top of it to like even it out. But you'll see at the end that it doesn't look as smooth as it can be. But like I said, it was my first try. I'm happy with it. And I can't wait to do more pieces using gouache paint because I love how it looks. I've always wanted to try it. And like I said, it is the summer of change and trying new things. And that is what I'm doing. I invested in some art supplies and I am trying to be a better drawer because there's no good time to try something new than right now. And here's me doing it very badly, but at least I'm putting myself out there and I'm trying something new and I'm so excited to do this. Sorry, but yeah, I'm just really happy with myself for trying new things because everybody's made for more, and this is me showing that I am willing to do things that I love and try new things and go out of my shell, even if it's as simple as buying some gouache paint and painting some flowers because it's super exciting to me. And if you are an artist and you're watching this and you're cringing about how I'm doing so bad with all of my gouache techniques, I know, I'm so sorry. Like, I had no clue what I was doing, even though I watched so many videos. I'm sorry, I'll get better, and you can come back to my other gouache videos I'll be doing, and I promise you my technique will get better. Also, this is the next day. You can just see that that paint was dry on my palette, but then I just added some water, and then it was reactivated, and we were good to go. And yeah, I hope you guys are really enjoying this video. I'm running out of things to talk about, but I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. You can see on one of those flowers, or the one I'm working on right now, I have like stripes of a lighter blue, and then I'm just going to blend it out, and then you can keep making it lighter, keep making it darker, and fixing it to however you want. That's basically my method of madness doing this entire project, because again, I had no freaking clue what I was doing. But yeah, sorry for the artists out there who are like, this girl does not know anything. Trust me, I know. And here are the 3 sketchbooks that I got from Arteza for $20. They're down below in the description box, but they're 118 pages, comes with 132 in each notebook, and I'm super excited because this looks like amazing quality. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked it, if you guys were cringing the entire time, please like it, subscribe it, comment, and share. And I hope you guys are excited for my gouache journey / becoming a better drawer journey, because I am really excited. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Whoa, bye.